Draft survey calculations designed specially for surveyors who do not wish to keep record of the vessel hydrostatics. This allows you to work in the draft range you want. Master and Mates can, however, uses the entire range of hydrostatics from their stability booklet. This app is an offline app and does not require internet connection. All data is stored locally on your phone. There is no limits to number of ship or observation except constrained by disk space. Once you have created your vessel and configured its tank, all you need is to put in the draft to get your result. You have the option of using 4 drafts, forward and aft drafts on both sides, or to use the conventional 6 observations including the one at midship. This gives more accurate result. Next are your deductible. Surveyors may just need the total of tank type, while the shipmates will prefer a more detailed tank listing. The app is flexible in this context. It allows you to add various tanks types such as DB1 port and DB1 starboard, or just total of all tanks. As soon as you hit calculate, you get the results. It shows a summary of calculation and the cargo on board after applying all deductibles. You also get a complete working copy of all calculations performed, step by step. You can use this to compare your own calculation to see where the discrepancy occurred. This working sheet can be copied in its entirety, so you can use it in your own notes or paste it or another app such as Mail app. This app does not save or transmit any information. So if you remove your app, you also remove all data associated with the app. The app creates a report in PDF format which can be saved on your mobile. It shows the location where the file is saved. You will be required to provide access to this public app folder. This PDF contains all the information required for a draft survey report. Adding a new ship is very easy. The form uses the most basic information to construct the data. The app contains a sample ship which is a working vessel. Instructions are provided to help novice users use the correct information from the stability booklet. The hydrostatic details need not be entered in details by the surveyor. If a particular range is not found, the app will prompt the user for information. Since this app is an offline app and does not depend on any external data, provision are made to assist master and mates to make use of JSON data which can be copied directly into the app hydrostatics and tanks configuration pages. There is no provision provided to convert Excel data into JSON data, but there are many websites which do this professionally. Here is the hydrostatic data for the sample ship which was created using the JSON data using the import screen. JSON data is pure text. However, before converting to actual data, its schema is verified thoroughly. Same goes for tanks configuration. Each vessel has its own configuration. Data cannot be shared between vessel. And finally, the app contains a complete course on draft survey. This manual also provides information as to how to import external data into system. In the description channel, links are provided just in case if you want more information on draft survey app and how to personalize this app. This app is available for Mac, iPhone, Samsung Tizen, Samsung mobile phones, all Android phone on version 23 and above. This application is also available on Microsoft Windows and Amazon Store. Thank you for watching.